Good morning everyone, respected principal, sir, teacher, parents and my dear all friends in class 7. Now I would like to say some lines. है लोग वही जहाँ में अच्छे आते हैं जो काम दूसरों के. Now I start my speech on Independence Day in front of you all. On 15 August 1947, India got independence from British rule. Hence the day is called Indian Independence Day. It is a very important day of our country. It was leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. This year we celebrated the 78th Independence Day. The day is celebrated throughout the country. On this day, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag over the Red Fort in Delhi. He then addresses the people of India. The national anthem is sung on this occasion. All the school officers and medal and honors are awarded to selected peoples. All the people are happy and take part in this national festival. Some important related topic to Independence Day. Historical significance. Understanding the struggle for independence and sacrifices made by freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and Rani Lakshmibai. Freedom struggle. Learning about the key event, movement and leader that shaped India's fight for independence, such as the non-cooperation movement and the Indian National Army. Patriotism and nationalism. And exploring the importance of patriotism and nationalism in building a strong and united nation and how this value can be promoted among citizens. Unity in diversity. Celebrating India's rich culture, heritage and the unity that exists despite difference in religious culture and language. Independence Day celebration. Understanding the signification of flag hosting ceremonies, parades and cultural events that take part on August 15 and how this value can be promoted to citizens. And opportunities. Analyzing the challenges faced by India as a nation, such as poverty, inequality and climate change, and exploring opportunity for growth and development. Global perspective. Examining India's role in the global academy and its relationship with other nation. Why we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate this day to honor the sacrifices of freedom fighters who fought tirelessly for India, for our country's independence. Their bravery, determination and sacrifices made by India to independence country. That's all.